In this video, I will tell you how to change Facebook
name.
Okay, so let's start. First, to open Facebook application in your mobile. If you do not find the FB application, then you go to search bar and just write Facebook and select the Facebook application. After open Facebook application, then click to menu option. It is 3 lines at top side right corner. Then click to setting and privacy. Under setting and privacy option, select setting option. Then select personal information. Now select name option. Okay. Now make the changes in your name, okay, or edit your name. Okay. After changing the name, you just click on review change button. After it, you have to enter your Facebook password. Now you can see, so now process is completed. So you can try these steps. If you have any suggestions, then write in our given below comment box. And don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now. Thank you.